Hello. Today we are going to show you what is included in the McMurdo SmartFind G8 plus AIS EPIRB package. User Manual. McMurdo SmartFind G8 plus AIS EPIRB. User Manual. Quick Reference Guide. Installation Kit. Instruction placard for mounting next to the installed EPIRB. McMurdo SmartFind G8 plus AIS EPIRB. The SmartFind G8 plus AIS EPIRB includes an AIS locating signal and an infrared night vision optical signal to aid detection of survivors in low light conditions. SmartTransfer bracket to prevent accidental activation. Once manually removed from the bracket, the EPIRB is activated manually or via water contact. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.